Welcome sa zipnayan.com. This video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on triangle congruence. No? And kung napanood yung previous video, ay pinag-aralan natin kung ano yung leg-leg congruence. No? One of the congruences na consequence ng tatlong conditions for congruence. Ito yung SSS, ASA, tsaka SAS. No? So dito mag-prove tayo ng congruence ng another pair of triangles, triangle ACT and triangle BN, where in ACT, it is right angle, that's C. Right angle yung C dito, and of course yung BN natin. It's right angle yung E natin. No? So for our proof, we have our statements and our reasons. So first, we have angle A is congruent to angle B. Given na yan, no? Ito yung mga given natin, by the way. Angle A is congruent to angle B. AC, side AC is congruent to side BE. And we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So, unahin na natin yung mga given. No? So, angle A is congruent to angle B. No? At ang reason natin yan, given na siya. Secondly, we have side AC is congruent to side BE. No? Which is also given. Maganda siguro i-mark natin kung alin ba yung mga congruent parts. So this is angle A tsaka angle B. And also we have side AC and side B, which are congruent. Now, ano pang alam natin based sa dalawang aside from these two givens, no? Alam din natin that these two angles are congruent, no? We have angle C is congruent to angle E. Of course, alam natin that pareho silang right triangles. So, pwede natin sabihin na reason na right angles are congruent. So, pwede natin sabihin yung reason yan. But notice, no? Tatlo yung given natin, no? We have two pairs of angles. We have A here. This is one pair of angle. This is another pair of angle. And this is pair of sides. No? So, kung mapapansin niyo yung side ay included siya doon sa, meaning common siya doon sa dalawang angle, di ba? So, nasa pagitnaan siya ng dalawang angle. No? And pag meron tayong ganyan, if two pairs of angles are congruent, and a pair of sides are congruent, where the sides are included in the angles, then by ASA congruence ay congruent sila. No? Pag may dalawang pairs of angles at merong side sa gitna na congruent din, and then yung two pairs of angles mo congruent din, then by ASA congruence, the two triangles are congruent. So from here, makakonclude na natin that triangle, lagyan natin ang linya dito. No? Panay tayo malito. Okay, so from here, we can conclude that triangle ACT, no? ACT is indeed congruent to triangle BN. And this is by ASA congruence. Congruence. Now here, kung mapapansin niyo itong dalawang given lang natin na to, kasi alam naman natin na right triangle sila pareho. So, ibig sabihin, if a pair of side is congruent and the pair of angle is congruent, ay sa dalawang right triangles ay automatic congruent na sila, no? So, a pair of side or a pair of leg, kasi hypotenuse ito, no? So, leg, this is one leg, pair of legs, and a pair of angles. Kaya tinatawag nila to, pag itong klaseng congruence, which is a consequence of ASA congruence, ang tawag natin dyan ay leg angle congruence or the LA congruence. So, ang definition ng LA congruence, it's not a definition, but I think the theorem leg angle congruence. No? LA congruence. Remember, ang LA congruence sa ano lang ito Ito ay sa right triangle lang, hindi siya kasama yung ibang klase ng triangle. So, if in two right triangles, no? If in two right triangles, no? A leg and an adjacent acute angle, a leg and an adjacent acute angle. So, ito yung leg natin, ito yung adjacent acute angle natin. No? If in two right triangles, a leg and an adjacent acute angle of one are congruent to a leg and an adjacent acute angle of another or of the other respectively. The two triangles are congruent, no? Two triangles are congruent. Okay? So, pag may dalawa tayong right triangles, tapos yung leg at saka adjacent acute angle, the leg and the adjacent acute angle of one triangle are congruent to the leg and an adjacent acute angle of the other, respectively. The two triangles are congruent. So, again, ang condition natin dito na huwag natin kakalimutan ay right triangle dapat yan. At nagwo-work lang yung LA congruence natin or the leg angle congruence pag ang two triangles are congruent. And pinakita din natin that the leg angle congruence is actually a result of the ASA congruence. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Abangan nyo yung susunod nating video, another theorem dito, which is a consequence of one of these three theorems. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.